Hi students, today we are going to look at the first unit of 8th standard English, class 8 English. Okay, the lesson name is the best Christmas present in the world. Okay, best Christmas present. Before you read, there are some dates or periods of time in the history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remembers them. ठीक है. The story you will read mentions one such date and event, a war between the British and the Germans in 1914. अब अभी हम जो स्टोरी पढ़ रहे हैं वो किसके बारे में है कि वो ब्रिटिश और जर्मन्स के बीच में जो वार हुआ था 1914 में उसके बारे में. कैन यू गेस विच वॉर वाज इट? Do you know which events the dates below refer to? 4th July 1776, 17th December 1903, 6th August 1945, 30 January 1948, 2nd April 1961, 20 July 1969. I think this one is Mahatma Gandhi's death day. I guess. Okay, let's see. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport, a roll top disc. The man said it was early 19th century and woke. Okay, I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. I spotted in a junk shop in Bridport a roll top disc. The man said it was in. Okay, I had wanted one, but they were too expensive. This one was in a bad condition. The roll top in several pieces, one leg clumsily mended. Clumsily means in an awkward and careless way. ध्यान से नहीं किया था वो. Scorch marks all down one side. Okay. Scorch means burning. Okay. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. Oh. Spotted it means saw it, found it. Okay. Scorch marks means burn marks. Okay. Was going for means was selling for. Okay. I was going for it. In the present tense, I am going for it. That means I'm going for selling. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. It could be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. Okay. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. Restore means repair. Veneer in this context, restore means repair. Okay. Veneer, a thin layer of plastic or decorative wood on furnace of cheap wood. Okay. Decorative would be there on the cheap wood, that is called veneer. Okay. Lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. पानी की वजह से ऐसा हुआ था करके ये सोच रहा था. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this disc. Taken their toll on means damaged. Okay. Taken their toll on this one. Okay. The last wire was stuck fast. Stuck fast means shut tight. Okay, it was not opening. I tried all I could to ease it out gently. बहुत कोशिश किया था, जोर से नहीं, जैसे थोड़ा हल्का से. इन द एंड आई यूज्ड ब्रूट फोर्स. फिर काम नहीं हुआ था. फिर उसके बाद क्या करना पड़ा, जोर से जोर से खींचा था, फिर भी नहीं आया. आई स्टक इट I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the dryer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath. With the side of my fist, and the dryer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath. फिर वो खोलने के बाद क्या देखा था, इसके अंदर एक शालो स्पेस देखा था. ये सीक्रेट ड्रायर, वो ड्रायर के अंदर और एक ड्रायर था. हम्म हम्म well. देयर वॉज समथिंग इन देयर. उसमें कुछ है. क्या है, क्या होगा उसमें. आई रीच्ड इन एंड टुक आउट ए स्मॉल ब्लैक टिन बॉक्स. आई रीच्ड इन मीन्स उसको निकाला था. निकाल के देखने के बाद पता चला वो काला सा एक टिन बॉक्स है. टिफिन बॉक्स नहीं, टिन बॉक्स. सेलो टेप टू द टॉप ऑफ इट वॉज ए पीस ऑफ lined note paper and written on it in a shaky handwriting. उसमें एक नोट पेपर में हम एग्ज़ाम्स में लिखते हैं ना, आखिरी आधा घंटा, आखिरी 10 मिनट में, नहीं तो आखिरी 10 मिनट में एग्ज़ाम में लिखते हैं ना, शेकी हैंड राइटिंग. मतलब लिखने के लिए ज़्यादा होता है, हमसे नहीं हो पाता है स्मूथ है, मतलब क्लियरली लिखेंगे तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा ना, इसलिए हम ऐसे 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 लिखते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं शेकी हैंड राइटिंग. ओके. Jim's last letter, received January 25th, 1915, to be buried with me when the time comes. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box. I knew, मुझे पता था. क्या पता, ये गलत है. ऐसा खोल के देखना भी गलत है. But curiosity got the better of my scruples. Curiosity means a strong desire to know or learn something. Okay. Whoa. Curiosity got the better of me, so I called him. Curiosity got the better of my scruples. Feelings that makes you hesitate to do something wrong. Okay. It usually does. Inside the box there was an envelope. बॉक्स के अंदर एक एनवलप था. द एड्रेस रीड्स मिसेस जिम मैच पर्सन, 12 कापर बीचेस, ब्रिडपोर्ट, डोरसेट. आई टुक आउट द लेटर एंड अनफोल्डेड इट. उसको मैंने मेरा हाथ में पकड़ के खोला था उसको. इट वॉज रिटन इन पेंसिल एंड डेटेड एट द टॉप. पेंसिल में लिखा था, ऊपर एक डेट भी था. कौन सा डेट है वो, December 26, 1914. कॉम्प्रहेंशन चेक. बीच में चेक क्या है, स्टोरी पढ़ रहे हैं हम, एग्ज़ाम नहीं लिख रहे. द एबिलिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग. कॉम्प्रहेंशन मीन्स द एबिलिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग. व्हाट डिड द ऑथर फाइंड इन ए जंक शॉप. ये मिला था उसको. What did he find in a secret drawer? Who do you think had put it in there? जिसने वो लेटर लिखा था ना, उसी ने उसके अंदर ये सीक्रेट ड्रायर भी बनाया था. ठीक है. ये सीक्रेट ड्राइव के अंदर क्या क्या मिला था, एक लेटर मिला था और ये एक डिब्बे, एक टिन, ब्लैक टिन बॉक्स, ठीक है। Dearest Connie, I write it to you in much happier frame of mind because something wonderful has just happened that I must tell you about at once. हाँ, बहुत खुशी से मैं लिख रहा हूँ क्योंकि अभी जो हुआ था उसकी वजह से इतना संतुष्ट हो गया। मुझे लगा था कि तुमको ये बात बताना ज़रूरी है। ओके, स्टैंडिंग टू, वेयर इज स्टैंडिंग टू, और okay, here we were all standing to in our trenches yesterday morning. Standing to means taking up positions. Trenches means long, deep ditches in the ground where soldiers hide from the enemy. हम्म लॉन्ग डीप डिचेस जिसमें सोल्जर्स एनिमी के लिए इंतज़ार करते हैं, वो डिचेस को बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, ट्रेंचेस। ओके, क्रिसमस मॉर्निंग। ओके, it was crisp and quite all about, मतलब आवाज़ नहीं था, शांत है पूरा। क्रिस्प मीन्स yes, of the weather. This one you have to see, cool, fresh and invigorating. Okay, cool, fresh and quite all about, as beautiful a morning as I have ever seen. बहुत सुंदर था, ऐसा वाला कभी नहीं देखा मैंने। as cold and frosty as a Christmas morning should be. cold मतलब तुमको पता ही होगा, should नहीं, frosty, ये हाँ, frosty means very cold with frost forming, mm, with water bubbles you might have seen in this in the winter. Okay, freezing cold, ice cold level. I should like to be able to tell you that we began it. क्या क्या began, क्या किया था? But the truth, I am ashamed to say, is that Fridge began it. Fridge means a name for a German soldier. Fridge is a common German name. Okay, I am ashamed to say. Ashamed means feeling shy, feeling sorry. Okay, feeling guilty also. हाँ, जर्मन सोल्जर ने शुरू किया था। ओके, मुझे लगा था हमने ये शुरू किया करके तुमको बोलने के लिए, मुझे लगा था, लेकिन सच्चाई ये है कि ये जर्मन सोल्जर्स ने शुरू किया था। ठीक है, ये बात के लिए मुझे अफसोस है। ठीक है, फर्स्ट समवन saw a white flag waving from the trenches opposite. पहले एक वाइट फ्लैग ने किसी ने देखा था। ठीक है, ये ट्रेंच का अपोजिट में। ओके, देन दे वर कॉलिंग आउट टू अस फ्रॉम अक्रॉस नो मैंस लैंड। ओके, हैप्पी क्रिसमस टॉमी, हैप्पी क्रिसमस। When we had got over the surprise, some of us shouted back, oh, क्या क्या है, सेम टू यू फ्रिज, सेम टू यू। आई थॉट दैट वुड बी दैट, वी ऑल डिड। हमको लगा, मतलब मुझे लगा था कि हम इस उस सिर्फ इस यहाँ तक किया था, वी ऑल डिड, बट देन Suddenly, one of them was up there in his grey greatcoat and waving a white flag. Don't shoot, lads. Hmm. Lad means a boy or young man. Hmm. फायरिंग मत करने के लिए बोला था. Someone shouted, and no one did. लेकिन किसी ने फायरिंग शुरू किया नहीं. Then there was another fridge up on the parapet and another. Keep your heads down. Okay. Parapet means a wall, barrier, railing, fence. किसी ने किसी जर्मन सोल्जर ने बोला था कि भी कीप योर हेड्स डाउन. ओके, तुम्हारा सिर नीचे कर दो करके बोला था. आई टोल्ड द मैन इट्स अ ट्रिक. फिर मैंने बोला था हमारे लोग को ये ट्रिक है, जादू कर रहे वो लोग. बट इट वॉज नॉट. वन ऑफ द जर्मन्स वॉज वेविंग ए बॉटल अबव हिज हेड. इट इज़ अ क्रिसमस डे, टॉमी. वी हैव. Okay, Tommy means a common English name used here to refer to British soldiers. That means that was all. That was the end of the matter. Okay, we are looking at this, right? Pronounced as Schnaps. Schnaps means a German drink made from grain. Okay, Schnaps. We have sausage. We meet you. Yes. By this time, there were dozens of them walking towards us across no man's land, and not a rifle between them. हम्म. बिना राइफल का ज़्यादा लोग आ रहा था. लिटिल प्राइवेट मॉरिस was the first up. Little Private Morris, maybe his name. Yes. Come on, boys. What are we waiting for? उसने बोला था कि आइए बच्चे आइए. किसके लिए इंतज़ार कर रहे हम? And then there was no stopping them. I was the officer. I should have stopped put them there and then, I suppose. But the truth is that it never even occurred to me I should. मुझे लगा था कि रोकना नहीं चाहिए करके. All along their line and ours, I could see men walking slowly towards one another. Grey coats, khaki coats meeting in the middle. And I was one of them. उसमें मैं एक हूँ. I was part of this. एक था. In the middle of the war, we were making peace. You cannot imagine, dearest Connie, my feelings as I looked into the eyes of a fridge officer who approached me, hand outstretched. Hans Wolf, he said, gripping my hand warmly and holding it. I am from Dusseldorf. I play the cello in the orchestra. Happy Christmas. He plays cello in the orchestra. What is cello? A musical instrument like a large violin. Captain Jim Macpherson, I replied. And a happy Christmas to you too. I am a school teacher from Dorset, in the west of England. Oh, Dorset! He smiled. I know this place. I know it very well. मुझे वो जगह पता था बहुत अच्छी से. We shared my rum ration, or what is rum? Rum is an alcoholic spirit distilled from sugar cane residues or molasses. Rum ration and his excellent sausage, and we talked. Connie, how how we talked. He spoke almost perfect English, but it turned out that he had never set foot in Dorset, never even been to England. He had learned all he knew of England from school and from reading books in English. His favorite writer was Thomas Hardy. His favorite book, Far from the Madding Crowd. So, there in No Man's Land, we talked of Bathsheba and Gabriel Oak and Sergeant Troy and Dorset. He had a wife and one son. उसको एक बीवी थी और एक बच्चा भी. Born just 6 months ago. 6 महीने के बच्चे हैं वो. As I looked about me, there were huddles of khaki and grey everywhere. What is this so-called huddles? Huddle means crowd, together. Okay, a crowd, a gathering. All over no man's land, smoking, laughing, talking, drinking, eating. Hans Wolf and I share what was left of your wonderful Christmas cake, Connie. He thought the marzipan was the best he had ever tasted. Marzipan means a sweet yellow or white paste of ground almonds, sugar, and egg whites used to coat cakes or to make confectionery. ओ केक के ऊपर जो रहता है वही है मार्जिपन. Oh, we agreed about everything, and he was my enemy. hmm There never was a Christmas party like it, Connie. Then someone I don't know who brought out a football. Great coats were dumped in piles. Okay, dumped in piles to make goalposts. Oh, okay. Great coats were dumped in piles to make goalposts. कोट्स निकाल के वो एक जगह रख के उसको गोल पोस्ट बनाया था. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी न्यू इट वाज Tommy against Fridge out in the middle of no man's land. Hans Wolf and I looked on and cheered, clapping our hands and stamping our feet to keep out the cold as much as anything. Mhm. There was a moment when I noticed our breaths mingling in the air between us. He saw it too and smiled. Jim Matchperson,
Jim match person.
he said after a while.
I think this is how we should resolve this war. A football match. No one dies in a football match. No children are orphaned. No wives become widows.
हम इस बार को ऐसे करना ही चाहिए, मतलब फुटबॉल मैच खेल के डिसाइड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि फुटबॉल मैच में कोई मरता नहीं है और कोई बच्चा आर्फन नहीं, मतलब आर्फन नहीं बनेगा. आर्फन मतलब अनाथ बोलते हैं शायद. नो वाइफ्स बिकम विडोज, और बीवी भी विधवा नहीं बनती. आई वुड प्रेफर क्रिकेट, आई टोल्ड हिम. Then we Tommies could be sure of winning probably. We laughed at that and together we watched the game. Sad to say, Connie Fridge won 2 goals to 1. Oh, sad to say, Connie Fridge won 2 goals to 1. मतलब वो लोग तो 2 गोल किया था, हमने एक ही किया था. But as Hans Wolf generously said, our goal was wider than theirs, so it was not quite fair. ओहो, उसने बोला था उसने बोला था हमारा जो गोल पोस्ट है वो थोड़ा लंबा है, इसीलिए वो फेयर नहीं है. ठीक है, इक्वल नहीं है दोनों के लिए. द टाइम केम एंड ऑल टू सून व्हेन द गेम वाज फिनिश्ड. द Shapnups and the rum and the sausage had long since run out, and we knew it was all over. I wished Hans well and told him I hoped he would see his family again soon, that the fighting would end and we could all go home. I think that is what every soldier wants on both sides.
I think that is what every soldier wants on both sides.
Hans Wolf said.
Take care, Jim Matchperson. I shall never forget this moment. Nor you.
He saluted and walked away from me slowly, unwillingly, I felt. He turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey coated men drifting back towards their trenches. That night, back in our dugouts means a shelter for soldiers made by digging a hole in the ground and covering it. That is called dugout. We heard them singing a carol and singing it quite beautifully. Carol means a religious folk song. Okay, अच्छा सा गा रहा था वो लोग. It was still not still night. What is this still night? Silent night. Our boys gave them a rousing chorus of while uh, shepherds watched. Shep- Shepherds, a person who tends and rears sheep. Okay, shepherds. We exchanged carols for a while and then we all fell silent. We all fell silent. hmm We had our time of peace and goodwill, a time I will treasure as long as I live. Dearest Connie, by Christmas time next year, this war will be nothing but a distant and terrible memory. I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. We shall be together again soon, I am sure of it. Your loving Jim. Whoa, whoa, wait a minute. The story is not yet over. Comprehension check is just now came. Who had written letter, to whom it was written. Okay, we will end it here. We'll see from this comprehension check in the next session. Okay, धन्यवाद. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.